Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by checking essentials. Make sure your iPhone is updated and you know the Wi-Fi network name and password. Once done, tap Settings, then Wi-Fi, and find the active network. Tap the information icon, scroll to Configure DNS, and switch from automatic to manual. Add the primary DNS IP, then tap Add Server to enter the secondary. This is the first actionable change. Replacing the network's default DNS lets you control lookups and improve speed or privacy immediately. Now focus on correctness and order. Remove any old or redundant servers because DNS queries use the list top to bottom. Add trusted addresses, Cloudflare, Google, or your private DNS, and position the fastest one first. Once you tap Save, iOS applies the configuration to that network only. Make sure to toggle Wi-Fi off and on if you don't see immediate effect. Why this matters. Proper ordering and validated addresses reduce lookup failures and prevent accidental use of untrusted resolvers. Complete the process by testing. Load a few websites and open apps that depend on DNS. If something fails, clear the app cache or restart the iPhone. Often that forces new DNS lookups. Make sure the addresses are typed correctly, and if necessary, switch back to automatic to confirm the issue is DNS related. If problems persist, reboot the router. Some networks enforce their own DNS, and then try an alternate provider. One key tip: typos in an IP are the most common cause of silent failures, so double-check entries.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.